good enough?
No.
Did you take pictures with your phone about the mirror?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not his phone. He
No,
didn't.
what Nana's phone with it.
Because he forgot his.
I don't have Facebook.
Yes, you do.
Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I bring you something beautiful out here. Not the light, but the actual view behind it. So, listen, we're out there camping, not only using it for your home, but you can actually use it for a camping ground. And we're gonna do that here in the desert, beautiful desert of Utah. We're gonna go ahead and set this up tonight. See how beautiful it looks under a tent. Let me know what you guys think about it. It looks like a nice little setup. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. You get the menu, of course, you know. Sorry about my background. It's all beautiful here, but you get the menu here. All right. Then you get a little tripod here. What is this? A controller. Get the actual control here if you guys can see this. The beautiful control. Get all this. Make sure you keep everything intact. Cable. And then you actually get the whole system itself. So take a look at it. Here's what the magic happens now. So if you guys can see, this is where the magic happens. This is a laser, all right? The laser is focused on the light and it reflects all over it, giving it a nice little effect. So comes a little setup so you could put a little speaker here, connection wirelessly. You charge on the side, you dimmer, and then the DC volt in, and the Wi-Fi off, Wi-Fi on, and then the speaker is right here. So that's what we're gonna use it for, outdoors and camping. I put it to use today and see how well it works and see if it's even worth it. Now, be careful because it's a laser. Don't put any eyes on it. So just a heads up. If you guys can see the controllers, volume, next song, back songs, pause, and so forth. Nice little setup. So it is a type C USB, 5 volts. All right, it's not the 12 volts, 5 volts. Right now it's off. Speakers are a little pretty big, so we're gonna see how loud they are. Here's another speaker and the light bulb. You guys can see we have the music set up too. Also we have music for, and then Bluetooth of course, and then volume control on the side, and an extra USB for any kind of charging if you want to plug it into. We have an external battery, and that's how we were able to set it up. So it worked pretty well. Speakers were pretty loud. I like that. So overall, really handy. Like it so far. All right, we're gonna take a look at the controller here. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna try to see if I can do this. All right, so we could change the spacing here, fading in into fading in. I'm gonna do fading in, change it. We could change the color. We're gonna try to change the color. Change the color. You gotta point at it because there is a way to do it. See, I'm changing colors. The colors I could change either backward or forward, different colors here. We got the off on button. Then we got the speeds here. This is the speeds, plus and minus speeds. All right, we got plus and minus speeds, and then we got fade in and the lasers. We could even turn off the lasers, make them brighter, lighter. There's 3 modes on the lasers, and we're gonna change it to blue. I like the blue style. Change it to blue. Blue and white. So we're going to turn off the red, we're going to turn off the green, and then we're going to turn off the white, or turn it back on, and there's the blue, white. We can make it clouds, then we're going to make it move. All right, make it move. So plus, 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 and you see it, they're moving. There's the plus sign. All right, very simple. Got our music mode here if you want to, and this is Bluetooth. And then we got our power and our laser. We could turn off the lasers too, manually, and then power off, power on. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys, if you guys lose the control, you could set this up on your applications. You could download the app. They make it for Droid and iOS, and you could use the same controllers on your phone and have Bluetooth access and transfer music in and out and do all sorts of things through your phone also too, just to let you guys know. Check out the music. Speaker, Bluetooth. Oh, sorry. Speaker, Bluetooth. Awesome little device. It's playing out of here. We're gonna play 10 seconds out of it. That's it. Hey guys, I'm like super far away. Look how beautiful this tent looks. So if you get closer, you're gonna see that you can use it for your campgrounds. Put it underneath the tent at night. Kids are saying scary stories here. They're all gathering here. Music later on. Look how beautiful. So not just as it looks beautiful on the outside, but look at the top. Look at the top of it. Awesome. People are coming down to visit us and asking us questions about this. Where do we get this? They never seen a tent lighting up like this. And how beautiful it looks. The aura, the stars. And look, with people here. So these scary stories here. Night dark. Awesome. Awesome setup for campgrounds. This is perfect. So you guys see that.